probably good. Now come down here to this end. Let me see what you did. Yep. Alright, hold on. Okay, tack it on there now. Flag off of it. See that stuff that comes off there? See how dull gray that is? Smoky looking? That's coming off. I'm going to tell you here in a minute. Then the wire brushing. Smoky stuff off. See how shiny that is? If we don't get that stuff off, our weld will be no good. Our weld's going to break. So if we're making like a car frame, we don't clean those welds off, the car's going to collapse. It's going to go down the track. Ready? Now, start down here. This up here is real thin stuff. This down here is thick. So when you get up on that too high, okay? Keep your wire down here in the right there where they meet. Don't get up on that too high because you'll burn through that. Whenever you're ready. Get up there closer, friend. There. Get back down here on the end of it. Start over on the end. Down here on the right side. Down here on the right end of it. On this corner. Bring it in. Yep, right there. Get your tip closer to that square piece though. You're not in there. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Here, let me show you what I mean. Look. You ready? I'm going to do it down here on the left side. Can you see it? Are you watching? You see what I'm talking about? Hey, you can hear me? Huh? Answer it. Okay, here we go. See my wire? And this barrel going up there on that piece of plug in. See? See that? Now you do it, just like that. Just the other side you want to start with. Get up there on that square duty. Too far away, too far away. Boy, this is really tough stuff now, isn't it? You're too far away with your tip. Hold on, our car's collapsing.